In this video, we'll explore the dynamics of and differences between peak well-being and performance versus optimal well-being and performance. We'll focus on well-being and performance as cycles with clear start and end points, and encourage you to consider these cycles in your life, as well as how you might want to leverage them. When it comes to performance, it's important to keep in mind the following formula: stress plus rest equals growth. Becky is a talented tennis player who is always focused on constantly striving for peak performance. While she has had some success, she has also noticed that this approach has led to negative consequences: burnout, anxiety, and decreased motivation. She realizes that she needs to adopt more of an optimal performance approach to achieve sustainability in her growth. Jamal is a dedicated soccer player who has learned to balance his training with rest and recovery. He prioritizes his own well-being by listening to his body, taking breaks when needed, practicing mindfulness, and a variety of other approaches. Through their athletic careers, both Jamal and Becky have realized that happiness is fleeting. They should not constantly expect to feel good, nor should they constantly expect to perform at their very best. These things happen in cycles with ebbs and flows, ups and downs. When it comes to well-being and performance, they should be thought of as cycles. With well-being, there's going to be pleasantness and unpleasantness, and that typically is psychologically healthy and leads to a rich life. With performance, there's going to be periods of stress, and there's going to be periods of rest, or there should be periods of rest. Research shows that constantly striving for peak performance as opposed to optimal performance can lead to a lot of negative consequences, including burnout, anxiety, and decreased motivation. So the formula to remember is stress plus rest equals growth. We're going to talk a lot about teetering and tottering and making sure we balance out both sides of that equation.